Hi everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda, and today I am giving a roundup of February's hashtag Sock It To Me Challenge 2022. I want to thank all of you for all your support with this. It's just a challenge between Kim from Crochets and Knits, and we're really enjoying it. And I want to share with you my socks that I completed for for February. They are my socks. I made them just for me this time instead of hubby, and I must say hubby is enjoying wearing his socks that I made him in January. So I used sock yarn Jupiter from Hobie, and I followed Nitty Natty's toe down. I'd never done one before, and it's the afterthought heel as well, and I must say guys, I really enjoyed doing that. So this is one of the socks, and I really like it because there's kind of no seam by the toe, and I'm just really delighted with how it turned out. Obviously I've got little feet. I only take a size 3 shoe, so so I blocked them. So they're my socks, yeah. And I used what did I use? I used a 3mm circular needles, and I must say guys, I really enjoyed I enjoyed working with them. They were nice, just something that you can knit along with, you know, at your own leisure kind of thing. So Kim and I'm sorry, I just had a mental block then. Kim and I have decided on the yarn that we're going to use, and we bought from Angela, from My Precious Yarnery, we bought Exploding Gnome yarn. Now I got 2 skeins, so I'm hoping to make a pair of socks for Rick and a pair of socks for me, but we will see how we get on. Because obviously, you know, I've got quite a few irons in the fire at the moment, and so we're going to do a pair of socks using exactly the same yarn. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do cuff down or heel toe up. I've not decided yet, but whatever I decide, I'm hoping to get 2 pairs of socks. So the yarn is you'll see it because I'll do progress kind of video, photographs for Instagram and whatever. So I want to take time also to thank these lovely people who have done socks this month and used the hashtag Sock It To Me Challenge 2022. First off, we've got Hannah Sideris, and she's knitted her socks. We've got Paula Daniels, who crocheted hers, so you can crochet them as well guys. Then we've got Spring, the fibre enthusiast. We've got Kat Mimi, she knitted hers, and she's done about 3 pairs I think. And then Lorraine from Jackeline Makes, she's made socks. And there's Dorit Pinto, she sent me some photographs of socks that she'd made for the family as well. So that is brilliant ladies, thank you so much, and the links to their YouTube channels will be in the description box below. So if you're interested in joining, what you need to do is either email me, my email address is in my about page. Email me a photograph of your socks, what yarn you used, what needle size or hook size if you crochet them, and whose pattern you used, because obviously I need to give credit to whose pattern it is. Also let me have permission to share on March's roundup video. I will have a slideshow at the end of this show showing my socks and showing everybody else's socks on what they've used, what yarn. Where I've got the information, I'll let you know what they've done. But I hope you enjoy the slideshow. I thank and if you don't want to email me your photographs, you can always join my Facebook group called Linda's Crochet Nook, putting a photograph there telling me the needles, the yarn and whose pattern you use, and giving me permission to use it in my slideshow for March. That would be brilliant. You don't have to necessarily knit your socks, you can crochet them like Paula did. You could use your loom, you could use your centro, whatever makes you happy. If you wish to join along, by all means please do. And I think that's all from me for today. So both Kim and I look forward to seeing your socks next month. And all I want to say is take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you. Until next time, bye for now.